Hello, how's everybody doing? This is Lockpicking Mikey again. So I'm gonna show you guys how to extract the key when you break it in there. So as you can tell, the key's pretty far in there. Now the pins are down here. Okay. So all we need to do is get our little key extractor tools, and I got these on eBay. They also send me these, which are a little bit more thicker. As you can tell, they're a little cheap. They're eBay. And they also sent me these, but we don't need any of this stuff. We'll need the smallest ones, okay? So our pins are down there. So we're gonna stick the tool over the pins and under the key, okay? Make sure that you can twist it. If you twist it, it goes in there, okay? So twist it, it's going in. Now we're gonna stick our other wire above the key right here. So one's underneath and one's on top, okay? And twist it so it can go in. Excuse me. So the top one actually went more in than the bottom one. So what I do is just try to stick it in there as much as you can. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist these wires together like this. Okay, like a twist, a nice twist. And then we're gonna pull really hard and bam, the key's out a little bit. So now you can just get your needle nose or whatever you have and then stick your key out. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.